Hi everybody, welcome to it's basically a practice run of Chico's Liquidations eBay or A&N Hobbies first box break. Like I said, this is a test run. We're doing a Gems of the Game. We picked it up at Walmart. You get one certified, graded, used, or autographed in 10 packs. We already opened 5 packs. We got a couple Jeter base cards, couple Mowers, nothing fantastic. We want to practice. We're going to be doing a Gypsy Queen box break for customers next week. We have a few spots left on eBay. The rest of those will be going up today. It's Chico's Liquidations is the name. It is April 9th. Those auctions will end Friday. We just ask everybody be paid up by next Thursday. We'll be breaking the box. We'll be doing 2 box breaks, so there will be teams up there for the 2 box breaks. There's a mid and low tier teams. Obviously, Yankees and Red Sox are the high tier, and it goes down from there. You check them out. They start at $5.99. You will receive all the base cards inserts for your team that you receive, and that includes shipping. $5.99 free shipping. All right. OPC 2009. I'm not expecting too many hits out of this box, but you never know. CC Sabathia. I'm a Yankee fan, so that's kind of a nice little card. That was 2010 Topps. Ryan Braun, Andre Ethier, Joey Votto, David Freese, LaCroix, Kevin Millwood, Matt Capps, Felipe Lopez, The Truman Show, and a Joaquim Soria Topps Battle card. Kind of different. Upper Deck Icons. Looks like we got a rack pack next. Okay, we got Josh Beckett, Irvin Santana, Ichiro, Roy Halladay, and David Wright. And the rack pack is Topps 2007. Manny, David Wright, Delgado. Looks like these cards are pretty beat up in the corner. Teixeira, Pujols, and Pujols. Back-to-back Pujolses. And in this box, we get a game used, it looks like it's going to be, or autograph. Kurt Ainsworth. Alright. Like I said, the box breaks for 2012 Gypsy Queen will be on eBay today, April 9th. Feel free to bid. Let us know if you want to see anything different in the box breaks. And thank you for checking us out. Again, this is just a test. It will get better. We're not going to break these cheap boxes, but we wanted to see how the whole YouTube thing will work out, and we want it to be flawless for when you guys purchase from us. Thank you again. Bye.